What up, YouTube? So, got blue flame out. First oil change. So I got all my stuff in here, all my OEMs and all that stuff. I know my truck's a little mess, but that's how it is when you on a run and you just non-stop with it. I should have my 1, 2, 3, here you go. All my OEMs and air filter, oil filter, fuel separator, and engine fuel filter. It's my wrench. I'm gonna take it off, and we're gonna get this shit done real quick. Mom. Nope. Half-inch right here. I already have my engine running. I just got it from doing a run not too long ago, so. Ah, shit. So, this is my first time, so. I'm wetting my hand all up. Oh, shit. I'm trying to get the switch out. Goodness gracious. Oh, there we go. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, shit. I got another one in here. It's just probably coming out entirely too fast. Whew. So, trying to do this shit on the run, y'all. That shit filling up. We're looking good. Maybe not. Maybe not. Woo. This one done filled all the way up right here. Woo. It started filling up fast. I just spilled a little bit on the ground right there. That's a tad bit. Anyway, I'm gonna let that drain out. And then I'm gonna try to get this one from under here. I gotta fill that up with oil. And then I'm gonna twist that off with the wrench, fill that up with oil. And then I'm gonna come over here, fill this up with diesel fuel. This one right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off. Take this off right here with a wrench up here. This little fuel filter one down here. Like I said, I put my separator and stuff in there. But this is my first oil change on my truck. I don't want one of the cars and stuff, but you know how I go. You know what I'm saying? This oil was like, my filters was $100-something, and my oil was, I gotta try Walmart next time, but my oil was I just paid I paid like 180 for like 9 gallons. You know what I mean? But yes, first oil change. Even if I save $100, $150, you know what I'm saying? It's money that's going in my pocket, and I'm learning, you know what I mean? For next time. So once again, try it yourself sometimes. You never know where you're gonna go, you know what I mean? Never know where you're gonna be at. So yeah, I got a little leak on this thing right here somewhere, but it's not that bad. Not like it was before I had to get my rear seal done. My rear seal was leaking. You know what I mean? So, but yeah, man. I just opted to put this shell oil on my joint. I should have got this other one, the white one, but I went and got a little bit more of an expensive one, and it's this one right here. It's the one I got right here. So got a couple quarts of that. I got my diesel right here for my to pour it in my separator, my filter, and yeah, I got my flatbed hooked up. Yeah, I was about to pull this off today. Just pull this whole thing off. I don't care, man. I was gonna put this whole thing off right here because I done overstored. Mad at my wife. And this right here, I hit a tree by my house. Trying to turn this crack, 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 crack. Might have got to tie and tape that back up there, but I was about to take this whole panel section off. This whole shit off. I'm like, I ain't doing that shit. But yeah, y'all. Try some shit yourself. Get out here, try to learn your truck. You know what I mean? Just little by little, just little by little. And don't be afraid to, you know, on your off day, get it in and, you know what I mean, put it down. I always tell people all the time and shit. You know what I mean? Always tell people all the time. Try to have what you need, not what you want. You know what I mean? But I'm here in my hometown, Harrisburg. You know, getting it in, man, getting it in. It's about to be a little bit of mess over here, but fuck it. We getting it in and we trying. That's all you can do. I'm gonna actually spray my truck down and clean it up after this. Look like I got a whole bunch of soot coming up out of this motherfucker. And that might just because of my oil so dirty and shit too, though. Probably. But once again, I'm an owner operator. I'm doing this shit by myself. I'm just taking my time, man. Taking my time. Trying to save as much money as I can while I go do this shit. You know what I mean? But I get back with y'all. Like I said, you just gotta get this off. And then this is pretty simple. Unscrew this, fill this up with diesel. I'll come back to it. Fill that back up with diesel and get that back up in there. Take this one off. And then you do the other side, fill the other side up with oil. And get that one back up in there. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all on it. Put a hole in here to get this oil out. Little hole in there. Oh shit. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Up here bugging. It's alright. We learning. We learning as we go, baby. That thing filled up. That's 5 gallons right there. It's another 5 in there. Still draining a little bit out of that one. And this one's coming up out of here. So we're gonna get that up out of there. While that's all that's draining, I'm gonna come around here and I'm gonna get this going. Shit. Hey, tools gotta have your tools. This the field thing I was telling you about, Majinger. Put this over here, it's like this. And you know, you loosen this up. Well, you get what I'm trying to do. I'm gonna go ahead and take this, it's a 20 that I need to take from up under here and put it on there because I don't have a drain plug for that one. So it's about a 20 or a 22, I believe, to get that bolt up under there. It's supposed to be a there we go, right here. Nope, it's a 19. It's supposed to be a plug there, but when I bought my truck, that's how it was. And I got my truck from from an auction, as y'all seen when I bought my truck. And and it came from a company. They had it, so whatever they did to here we go right here. Like I was saying, 22. Oh, I hear something. Look. I hear something. Oh, that's that. All right. So yeah. So put it up in there. I have to put this up under here. Let's tighten it. Tighten it. Let's untighten it. I actually need something to get to catch this fuel when it comes down. But I have to come up under here and hit it like this. Just to get it, you know what I mean? To get it off. Shit. Big body big. So this was giving me a little bit of a problem, but I got a couple of them. So gotta swap this out. That's it. Oh, I'm gonna need both hands so I don't strip this thing. Gotta hold one and then, this thing is, what's the name? Unless I take this one off and put this one up. If I can do that like this one too. And then I can go ahead and get it up there so they know I'm moving around and shit. Oh, fuck. And this is how I get my fuel out of there until I want to drain it. So, but that's the only part. I'm trying to get this damn thing out of here like that. And then all I gotta do is just, you know what I mean? See, to screw that out, get that down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Get this down here like this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and wiggle this off. Like that. And then after I get that fuel out, and then I'm gonna proceed to change everything else. I'm gonna get this one off too. But I gotta get something, I gotta find me a can in my truck to put the diesel in. Transfer the diesel over. As a matter of fact, look what we got over here. Ooh. Ooh. There's probably some piss or something in here. We got a bunch of shit back here. But looks like we found us something to put the diesel oil in. So I'm actually need some Fabuloso or something else in there. But I'm gonna cut this open. I'm gonna put my diesel oil in there. And yeah. Get that changed. You know what I mean? So let me go ahead and get this on first, and then I can go ahead and do all that. So I'm gonna turn this off and get back. Alright. So this is how I get it. It's open like this. And got a little trickle on there. It's a little one. See how easy that was? Getting that from up out of there. It's saving a little bit. Not much, but enough. 150 hours a do. 150 a do. 200. I think about 200. Let me see. Yeah. About 200. Because honestly, should be good right about there. 200 because honestly, shit. You know what I'm saying? I could have went with the cheaper oil, and I went with a more expensive oil with that Shell to try that one out. So yeah, so now I gotta do this one over here. So I got this right here. I bought this a long time ago. So I don't even remember where I bought this damn thing from. But yeah, we saving a little bit. Like I said, I don't know how much, but we saving something. So doing this thing ourselves, you know. So it's my first time doing this, but we gonna make it work. I think I gotta do it the other way because I need to turn it, you know, like counterclockwise and whatnot. That's what it looks like. Let's tighten it up. Or is that untightening it? It should be untightening it. Yeah, that should be untightening it. 150. Joe Budden's talking shit about Dre. Dre got the hottest album. He got the hottest fucking album on, baby. Alright. Okay, so that worked pretty good. So this is our fuel separator. And we're gonna take this down. I already got that one out right here already. Yeah. I don't mind doing my own shit. I don't mind doing some stuff or trying to learn some stuff. You know, I'm just one of them type of people. You know. This is what I do. You know, honestly, on the 2 YouTube videos, I watch this. So, I'm not a professional. You know what I'm saying? I'm just simply going with it. But I'm simply, you know, learning and doing some shit myself. And this is about to be real messy right here because it's filled up to the top. You can't see. Ah, shit. Ah. Okay. Can I listen? Oh, fuck. Fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Come on, baby. Come back up here. I don't know how the fuck they get this shit up here like this. That shit, ain't that something? Diesel everywhere. Oh, man. See the shit? Damn. Ah, shit. Woo. That shit just came out. Damn. See how shit just came out like that? Shit. Just spilled diesel all down there, but I'm gonna go ahead and get my truck a wash. I ain't washing in a minute. After I get done with this, I gotta pull this one right here out now. Yeah, man, shit crazy. Anyway, you get it. So I gotta pull this one off right here. See how dirty my filter is? Fucking dirty as shit. I switched to that shell. See if I can get a little bit of a better results with that. I was in there at Walmart. I should have grabbed some motherfucking plastic gloves too for my hands. That's what I should have did. Oh, fuck. It's off of my hands. And I did everything but take this thing off at the top. Fucking tripping. Goodness gracious. Let me screw that back on. Oh shit. When I say that's hilarious, I never done that before. Changed this separator 100 times. Because I know this screen got a coil on it. And the coil makes it bounce up. Just to get this off. I never do that. It's my first time doing it. That's because I'm recording and shit. There we go right there. I can get it from up under that coil. Oh. So once again, it has this what's name right here, and it has one on the other one too. Got funny. Screw this off. And they have one right here too on the side, so you want to put new ones on there. Man, look at that filter. That shit is fucking filthy. So and normally this little thing sticks on here, and you just take this and just, you know what I mean, just put up like that. You can get that off. You know what I mean? Then you want to put your new one on. My new one. So I got a few things to do. You see me take it off. You just basically just fill it back up, fill that one back up, fill the other one back up with oil, put that one back up there. I can tilt the other one from here and stick it up there with the oil, and then I'll go from there. I don't know how much more I got with my GoPro. It says 50%, but I'm trying to record with it. Normally I can put it on my head or my chest, but I don't know how good that is. But anyway, you know what I mean? Get back to it. So I got my diesel filter right here. I just filled it up, and you wanna fill it up with this cap still on there for whatever reason. Then you wanna pop it out. I guess so I can possibly, like, you know, get on the sides and stuff. You know what I mean? Then you want to pop this out. Then we want to commence to getting this up in there. Gotta make sure hands is a little slippery. But gotta make sure I can get this up in there. So it's right here. Should be able to possibly get a little more diesel up in here. I'm not sure. I think I can. Oh shit. Oh shit. So that's the case. Got a little bit more diesel up in there, and go Go ahead and slide this up in there. Actually, I believe I can just take it from the bottom and get it up in here. Oh, I don't want nothing touching that. So I'll slick it down in here. Uh-oh. I guess I'm running into the same problem, so I might as well do it up here. Let me see. 1, 2. Gee! All right, so we got it up. Now let's commence to getting this up on there. Yeah, man. It's a little time consuming, but like we gotta do it often. So let's get this up in there. There we go. This thing is twisted. It sounds like a so funny. I'm not sure how much I'm supposed to tighten. But that's pretty cool though. And just dirty as shit. Grab my rag, wipe this off. Make sure this diesel just gets to taking this off right away. But anyway, got that on. That looks pretty good. Next, we're gonna go ahead and get this tighten this down just a little bit more. I want to probably put it on too tight. So we got that one on new. And then go ahead and get this one on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these go around here and get this what's the name off though. I done already got all this oil out and I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this oil at. But I got this, so I done already drained it already, my oil. So, you know what I mean? Got my oil. Just poked a little hole in the bottom and drained it out. So I'm gonna fill that up. And there's a new one right there. So here's the old ones. You know what I mean? Oil filter, fuel separator. So I'm gonna fill this up with oil, clean oil. And I'm gonna go back up under the bottom and I'm gonna put that one up under there next. And then I gotta change the little gasket things on here right here. My hands is dirty. So there they go right here. So you got a clean one. You got a dirty one that come with it. So you can really change it when you do your separator. So you put that on and clean that off and then twist it back on like I twisted it off. Twist it off, and then once you get it down, you fill the filter, fill it back up at the top. So I get back with that one. So here's the oil separator, oil filter. Excuse me. Put this up, try to not resist, but I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up and pour the oil down in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring it over. Oil is really heavy, so man, go ahead and get this oil up in there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up on there. Somebody's passing. What's this damn take? A whole gallon? God damn. Get me a little oil around the rim. Around the rimmy jam. No home is it, man? Yeah, look, that shit's just going down. Damn. Got that filled up pretty good. Oh shit. I'm gonna be bringing it over. All right, so it's settled pretty good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up. This is pretty heavy. Put this oil in there. And I'm gonna take this over. They're gonna get it up under there. And we're gonna twist this on. So oh shit. Just give it a little feel for it. Shit. That's cause it's heavy and I'm trying to keep it up and get a good feel too. Get it in there, locked in there. I have to put this down. Alright. We get this twisted on now. Ooh. Alright, we got it on there. I'm gonna go ahead and clean that off, and then I'm gonna put my hand on there, tighten it down a little bit more after I clean it off. But we got that one on there. We got this one on there pretty tight. Pretty sure I'm not supposed to do nothing but put it on with my hand. Now I'm going to put this one on, and then I'm gonna pour the fuel in there, pour the oil in there, put the plug back up, and then we done. So I just put the new one in, the new filter in, and I just put the what's the name on there, and now I'm just tightening it down. So I like to make sure it's snug. I think that's about it. I guess I'll keep that on, keep it up here for this right here. Just gotta put a little bit of diesel oil on there, and I'll put the little ring around it like that. You know, take my hands off, and then I'll go ahead and get ready to put it on. So next step is pouring the diesel in there. So pour the diesel and let that just kind of like marinate in there. That kind of just sits until it you know, goes up. Can't really see it, but anyway, pour the diesel in there, let it go up, let it go down, let it get to about right here, and then go ahead and put that on there, and then you're done. So that's on there nice and tight with my hands. The other one's on there tight with my hands, and I gotta put the plug in there, put the oil in there, and then we done. You know what I mean? We're gonna see how this new oil do with the fill mileage and everything. A little more expensive one, but I saved at least $200 on doing this oil change myself. Because normally I'll get all my OEM parts, and then I'll take them there to them, and then they'll put it in. But they're still charging me like $420 or $50 or something like that for my oil change. I don't know how it is now. That was a couple of months ago when I came back from the DR. Spanish dude put them in. I don't know if I forgot what he charged me for the oil, but no telling what type of oil that was. That could have been the bottom of the barrel. So I usually use Mobile one, the 1300. So I'm gonna switch to this this Rotella stuff. This is supposed to be a good one too. I heard about this one, so we're gonna try this.